Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Melrose Hill bypass and we are going to take a look at the construction that's going on the bypass. We're actually going to get an update as to how far they've reached. So what's going on with the Melrose Hill bypass? Highway 2000 is being built from Maypen to Mandeville, and the highway is actually going from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout, or in the area of Williamsfield. So the highway is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass into a part of it. So from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park, the highway will run adjacent to the existing road, or it will run beside the existing road. But from Clarendon Park over to Melrose Hill, it's going to take a new alignment and go over the hill. It's going to go over the hill. And then when it comes over the hill, it comes back out onto the Melrose Hill bypass. And the Melrose Hill bypass is being upgraded because it's going to be a part of Highway 2000 now. So they're putting in it's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes with the dual carriageway and have with the concrete barrier, the Jersey barrier, and it's going to be a dual carriageway. Now straight ahead is a ramp to get onto Highway 2000. So one thing to point out is, although the Melrose Hill bypass is being upgraded and it's going to be incorporated into the highway, it's not going to be a toll road. So you can drive from Porus to Williamsfield and not pay toll. However, if you're coming from Williamsfield and you want to go to Kingston on the highway, you're going to go on a ramp like this and get onto the highway, and then that's where you have to pay toll. So we're just looking at the work construction that's going on the bypass, on the Melrose Hill bypass. So if you to drive from Kingston to Mandeville now, it's going to take 40 minutes because of when you're on Highway 2000, because of this road. And this highway, or this section of the highway, the Maypen to Mandeville section, is scheduled to finish in June 2023. I was going to say 2025, but that's a Southern Coastal Highway. This highway was to finish in March of 2023, but they changed the date to June 2023. And the last section of the highway that needs to be built now is this section, the Melrose Hill bypass, because from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park, that section is finished. You can actually drive on the road now, but they have blocked it off. And from Clarendon Park over the hill, that section is finished. It's just when the highway comes out here now at the Melrose Hill bypass that is left to be finished. And remember, this section of the road is being upgraded to 4 lanes. See that metal arm over there? They use it to block off the road so persons can't drive on the finished sections. So all of this section of the road we're on now, you don't have to pay toll to use this part of the road, which is very good, because a lot of times the bypasses are incorporated into highways. Like they were working on an Old Harbor bypass, and before it was even finished, they incorporated it into the highway, and you have to pay toll. It's part of the highway, but this section of the road you won't have to pay toll, which is very good. Wow, you can really see the how it's going to look now that they've finished this side. Very nice. I must say the government is doing an excellent job in building out this kind of road infrastructure in Jamaica. You have the Southern Coastal Highway project that's going on. You have this project, and you have the Northern Coastal Highway that's going to be expanded to 4 lanes very soon. A section of it from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.